Hello, this is a quick video tutorial of how to install Android Studio in our laptop or PC. But before installing Android Studio, we need to install Java. So let's see how to install Java in our laptop and how to add a path of it to our system environment. But before installing Java also, we need to check that in our system Java is already installed or not. So we can do that by going into command prompt. After going into command prompt, just write Java minus sign and then version and then enter. If you see message like this, then this means that you don't have Java in your system. If you get any message like Java version 15, 16, that means that you have already Java. So you can skip the Java installation part and directly go to installing Android Studio. Now for downloading Java, just open your browser and type Java JDK and press enter. The first website you will see is from Oracle. Open it, and inside Oracle, just go to JDK download. Inside JDK download, according to your OS, install the file. Mine is Windows 64 installer, so I will just click on it. Accept the terms and condition and hit the download button. Installing has been started. Once the download is completed, just open it and you will see the Java wizard. Inside that, just click 2 times next and 1 time install. And I will suggest you to keep the path of a Java to default. Now we need to add a path of a Java to our system environment. So first let's locate where our Java is. So for that, open your file explorer. Inside there, go to C drive. Inside C drive, go to program files. Here you can see Java folder. Inside Java JDK. Inside JDK, go till bin. So copy the path till bin. After copying, just type and here you can see the edit system environment variable. So open it. Inside that environment variables, here go into path and paste your path in. Click on new and paste your path. I already have Java path here, so I'm not gonna do that. You just paste your path here and click OK. And then click OK, OK, and OK. After this, now let's check whether Java is installed perfectly or not. Open your command prompt and inside command prompt once again write Java minus sign version and press enter. Here you can see the version of Java and Java compiler, that means version. So our compiler version also. So yeah, we have successfully installed Java into our system. Now let's install Android Studio. For that, open your browser and type Android Studio and press enter. Uh, just open a developer.android.com. I will give this link in the description also. And this is the official website. to download Android Studio. Before downloading, just I will recommend you to just see the system requirement for Android Studio. Just scroll down and yeah, here you can see the system requirements for Android Studio for Windows, Mac, Linux. See that every system requirement you fulfill, then only install this. For installing, just click on download Android Studio, accept the terms and condition and click on download. It's 931 MB. After finishing the download, just double click on it. Here the setup wizard has been come. Click on next. Uh, Keep all the things default. That's what I uh, preferred. Click next, next, and then install. And we have successfully completed the setup. Next, uh, keep this check. It will launch the Android Studio. If you want to install your previous setup of Android Studio, you can do this, but I don't recommend you. If you are a beginner, do not import settings. Okay. This is a message that you want to share your data with the Google and send you the statistic, but I will click on don't send. Click on next. If you are beginner, I will recommend you to keep it standard. Next. You want dark theme or light theme according to your preference. I will go with the dark theme. Next. Here is all the files that are gonna install. Click on finish. It is installing. You can click on show details and you can check see what all files are installing. So it has taken 2 to 3 minutes to download all the components, and I've skipped 1 minute of it. So if it takes long time, so do not worry. After this, just click on finish. And yeah, we have successfully installed our Android Studio also. We will create our first project in Android Studio in the next video. If you got any knowledge from this video, please like, share it with your friends and create amazing project with Android Studio.